Back here at the arena in San Juan, see Gervasio attempting this one. This one sails wide. 8-2 is the score. The defending champions ahead by 6 points. Again, just like in the first set when they were ahead 12-6 and lost it. For those who just tuned in, they lost that set 25-21.
So let's see now if the Lady Archers are able to hold on to the lead and try to finish this set and win it.
Underhand set, 3-ball for LaSalle here. They're scrambling for position, talking about the girls in white.
And
a violation, huh?
Yep, and Gumabaw also pushing that ball. Just so smart in that last play. Nakita niya walang tao behind the blockers.
I call her the athlete. She's an adjustment in mid-air. Ferrer.
Combination. Oh.
And Chuck Cruz was there to receive that.
That's right. And Esperanza should have let that one go.
Three serving 9. Gervasio. She goes for the jump on this one. Over receive.
And I think that's an overreaching violation. That is right.
Explain that, right, Mosey, for those people who are trying to understand the match.
There's two kinds. Yung overreaching violation, when you're a back row player, at yung hand mo is over the net, yon, overreaching yon. Yung isa naman is when you're, let's say, a frontline player, pero lumagpas totally sa net and disrupting the play. Overreaching violation din yan.
Let's go to Ateneo, Krishka and Shiveri now.
With the absence of their head coach, I've been seeing very interactive huddles for the Lady Eagles. In their last huddle, they reminded each other not to play with too much excitement. Let's get this set 1 point at a time and stay focused. They would also want to avoid playing with overconfidence or pressure. Back to basics lang tayo. We've given them points off of our own errors. They ended their last huddle with team captain Phil Kainglet telling her team, tibay lang.
Thank you very much, Krishka. Well, nagpakita sila ng tibay nung first set. Ito na naman, a test for them. 5 serving 10 with now Liza Valdez.
And that last play was a back row play for Phil Kainglet.
Ito, nandito na siya sa harap and she shows the adjustment. And again, we have not questioned her about, you know, her ability to adjust, her versatility of the net. But now she adds a little strength. So she's becoming a complete attacker for Ateneo. Mosey.
That's true. And really just a smart player in Phil Kainglet.
Esperanza opens up to Chuck Cruz. That's long. No check ball. So another point. Dumidikit na naman dito ang Ateneo. LaSalle losing the first set for those who just tuned in here, Studio 23. And the replays on Balls Channel 34. The UST product. Liza Valdez.
Oh, nice sharp serve. But taken by Abigail Marano.
That cuts the line.
That's right. Nobody home for Ateneo.
Marano. Was it Marano who went for that back? Yeah, it was, no? Caught the tape.
Kitang-kita eh. No one was there for Ateneo.
11 serving 7 now. They go back line to Valdez. Esperanza goes to Chuck Cruz. Cross court. Ferrer opens up. Kainglet. Underhand set. Cruz again. Lazaro was there. Kainglet tries to power it. No go. They go back to her. Cross court for Phil Kainglet. Again the variety on a cut shot, Mosey.
And I was going to say that look how fast Phil adjusts. Diba?
Yes.
She will go down the line. Pag nahuli siya doon, she will think of another variety and going cross-court this time.
Look at that cut shot there. And ang hindi nakikita minsan ng tao pag hindi ka nanonood ng live is how she quickly backtracks. Diba? Para to get your footing set.
To go for your approach.
Correct. Oh, miscue. So free ball here. Ferrer. Kainglet again and a facial to Marano. Oh, nanggigil si Phil Kainglet. Nanggigil.
That's right. She wanted to take that gift, but no go as it goes straight into the net. Sayang.
For those trying to learn the game, any part of the body, if it gets hit, that's a legal
Still
hit.
good. Yes, you can even kick the ball if you
Kaman
want.
or paa. That's considered
head
a
to
touch.
toe.
Yes.
Yeah, ang sinasabi nga namin ng volleyball, you have to have a complete physical training ng body mo. It has to be complete.
Kainglet again. Victor Morano sending it back. Kainglet again. Ferrer now goes to Eliza back line. Esperanza. Cha Cruz puts it away. The captain gives them a 5-point lead. Some exciting rallies here, Moti.
And you appreciate that. Why? Because you can see that all of them are thinking players. They're trying to outsmart each other. It ended nga with that hit in the middle of the defense of Ateneo coming from Cha Cruz.
And it's not just thinking, it's quick thinking too.
Yes. Kasi alam mo yun, seconds lang yan.
Correct.
Kailangan mabilis na mag-adjust.
So net block. 9 serving 13 here. It will be the setter, Jimenea Ferrer.
Di ba, iba kasi yung na-appreciate mo when you see that yung smart players you really but that time error at the service line. Jem Ferrer.
In other words, yung sinasabi mo, hindi lang palo ng palo.
Yes. Kailangan pinag-iisipan mo rin. And then, yung pinaka-basic dyan is you look at the opponent's court. Try to look for the spaces as Ateneo total miscue on that last play.
So back to a 6-point lead with the captain of LaSalle on deck serving, Charlene Cruz. 15, serving 9.
Oh, that's going to be
Oh, that's it.
That looked really going to be wide, but
It's like a Nadal shot. Lalapas muna, tapos papasok.
pumasok.
16-9. Balik po tayo dito sa arena.